Hello everyone, I am from Tech News. Today I am talking about Windows 10 Unlimited Performance Power Plan. So let's start. First of all, go to Windows search bar and type cmd. Run cmd run as administrator. Then type the command line powercfg duplicatescheme 9A42B02-D5DF448DAA00-03F14749 You can get this command on description, so let's check the description. Now again go to the Windows search bar and type power plan, then you see first line edit power plan, click that. Then you see the unlimited performance plan, then select this. So now you can enjoy the unlimited performance on your laptop. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share. We always create quality videos. So please stay with us. Thank you everyone to see this video.